So I just now shared in our Facebook group, we have a store owner who's made $500 plus in the past 10 days. I'm trying to get her in the group to share tips. She replied and said, I'm here. We are at $600 now. So if she's at $600 in the past 10 days, and there's about 30 days in a month on average, that's about $1,800 her first month in running her very own done-for-you store. Our done-for-you stores are so powerful, and that's why I'm telling you that this is the number one thing you can do in 2024, and the number one business you can start in 2024 to make an unlimited amount of money. The reason why I say that is our done-for-you stores, they come loaded with 200 digital products. Every single one of these digital products that you see right here, you can resell and keep 100% of the profits that you make. Every single one that you see right here. Now, a lot of people watch this video, they'll keep on moving and think that there's something else better out there. There's not. Why do I know that? Because I'm someone that's been in this game for the past 16 years and I've seen it all. I've done it all. If you think about something like drop shipping, it will not beat selling digital products, 200 at that. If you think of starting your own merch line, it won't beat it. It just won't. The profit margins are too low. If you want to create your own digital product, you can create one, but what about income from 200 different digital products? This digital product store right here is focused on passive income. So therefore, anybody that's looking to make passive income can come to your store, check out the products, purchase the products, and you make money every single time that happens. And that's why this is so powerful, because it's a niche targeted, done for you digital product store. And once again, she made $600 in the past 10 days, and I'm sure this is only the beginning for her. This is why I simply tell people, if you want to really change your life and escape a 9-to-5 job, you will sell digital products. If you want to struggle and maybe get lucky, you'll sell physical products. There's nothing that's going to give you those high returns and those high profit margins like digital products. It's been proven over and over and over again, and the freedom that comes with selling digital products is truly unmatched. It's hard to compete with somebody that sells strictly digital products, because I could be laid back on the beach relaxing while sales roll in, versus me being in a warehouse shipping out physical products. So I'm not sure what position you are in right now in your life. I'm not sure who you are or where you're from, but I do know one thing. If you are somebody that's looking to escape the rat race, if you are somebody that's not really seeing results online, or whatever it may be, you just want extra money, or you want a full-time income to replace your job and then some, one of our done-for-you digital product stores can change your entire life. Whenever you go ahead and grab a digital product store, you will be able to get it and have it up and running within 24 hours. Why do I know that? Because it's very simple and straight to the point. We have setup right here, setup instructions right here, and also Facebook and Instagram training right here that's going to teach you how to go ahead and set up some campaigns, scale to 50, 100, or even $300 plus a day and beyond to help you change your life and escape your current situation. This is the thing. Our done-for-you stores are not offered to everybody. So if you are a person that want a done-for-you store, you can click on a link in the description of this video. But if you run into a page that says sold out, that means we are done for 2024. In January 2025, we will be back at it with creating these done-for-you stores. But once again, whenever you grab one, it comes with 200 digital products for you to start promoting and making 100% profits for every single digital product that you see right here, even $199 digital products. So if you are someone that's ready to hit the ground running and really crush it and let my team do the hard work and heavy lifting for you, click the link in the description of this video, get your done-for-you store, gain access to the training, and get like her.